Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. This is Devi, and I would like to thank you for all the support you've given me for a short time I've been on this new channel. So in this video I'm going to look at how CASHFX performed in the month of June 2020. Now I've been providing these monthly updates and also weekly updates. So just because this one has delayed by 3 days, but still I've come and I'm going to present it. So now I'm on the CASHFX Global Partners page. This is their page. As you can see, they post every day they update us on what's happening in the company. So this is today's update. It was 6 hours ago, and this is how we performed yesterday. So these are results for yesterday. Got 1.1. So my focus is on the month of June. So I'm going to go back on June 1st on where they posted. It was on July 1st. It is here. So I normally give these updates using this page because I don't want to deviate away from what they provide us. So I go to this page and I give the updates from here. So in the month of June 2020, all the academic packs managed to generate 25.88%, meaning each package you bought or you had by that time managed to get you 25.88%. So if I'm to expand this, so as you can see here, they say that the percentage was 25.88% depending on what academic pack you chose. Here are the monthly totals. So for the smallest package, which is $300, it managed to generate $54.35. The $500 pack managed to generate $90.58. The 1K pack managed to generate $181.16. The 2K pack managed to generate $362.32. The 3K pack managed to generate $543.48. The 5K pack managed to generate $905.80. The 7K pack managed to generate $1,268.12. The 10K pack managed to generate $1,811.60, while the 15K pack managed to generate $2,717. So you guys, as you see, depending on how much you invested in the company is how you get. You invest small, you get small. So the 20K pack managed to generate $3,623. The 30K pack managed to generate $5,434. The 40K pack managed to generate $7,246. The 50K pack managed to generate $9,058. And the 70K pack managed to generate $12,681. While the biggest pack, the 100K pack, managed to generate $18,116. So this is how the packages performed, from the smallest package, which is $300, to the highest package, which is 100K. So, and all these are how the packages performed minus all the other bonuses that the company gives, from leadership bonuses and all the other bonuses. So they are not included. So those guys who managed to get those bonuses were added to what they got in the academic pack. So that is CASHFX, guys. It is a legit company and it is running for 11 months now without any issues. So those who feel like investing in the company, you're free to invest. The minimum to invest is $300 in the Bitcoins and the maximum is $100,000 in Bitcoins. So I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video which you can use to join, and also I'm going to leave a link to the Facebook group, also a link to the presentation explaining the business very well, and the link to the Telegram group. So join the business, it is legit, it is paying us. If I'm to go to the Facebook group, you can see the testimonies there. Let me show you guys. CASHFX Power Team. This is the Facebook group. It is a very big community here. Very big community. So as you can see, these are the testimonials. People are upgrading. You can see people upgrading. A lot of upgrades here. People upgrading here. So 10k, this one upgrade to the 10k pack, 30k, this one upgrade to the 50k pack. So you guys, you can see. So come do business with us. I'm also going to leave a link to my Facebook page. You can contact me via message and we can have a chat, and I hope you get started here. So guys, see you in another video. I'm going to be coming back with another update, the weekly update. I think that one will be tomorrow about CASHFX. So see you in another video.